Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's me Flipside. I hope you all are doing great. This video is about the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. This video is just an off-roading POV. This is done by professionals. Don't try to do this on your own.
NASA comes to Bombay for moon landing. This next obstacle is sponsored by Bombay Municipal Corporation. You can stop here all day. The car is not going to topple. You're not going to go fast. Now, the car has different modes. No auto, lock. So we're going to keep it in auto only. Auto means the car is going to be in two-wheel drive, and when required, it's going to give power to all four wheels. Okay, so it's on demand all-wheel drive. So we start off slowly. You climb the ramp. Very slowly. This is a 25-degree ramp. Now see, we are on these two ramps, two wheels on the ramp, two in the air. Okay, so what all grip does is it transfers power to the wheels in the ground using traction control and moves the car ahead. That wheel will stop rotating and then only the car will move. Now you'll see it rotate, and suddenly it will stop and the car will move ahead. So what we'll do is we move to snow mode. Here, push this way and press lock. Okay? You go slowly. From which city?
Bangalore. I'm from Pune.
So this next obstacle is sponsored by Bombay Municipal Corporation.
I think you can say that as Bangalore as well.
No. We are unchallenged winners in bad roads.
No, you have to come to
Bangalore,
you have to come to Bangalore.
I keep coming to Bangalore. Bangalore is way better. NASA comes to Bombay for moon landing.
Is it really that bad?
Yeah.
Oh God. Which car do you drive, sir?
I have many reviews. Pajero, Jeep, Thar, Classic.
Which is the best one that you have driven?
It all depends. Every car is good on different terrains.
Mm-hmm.
So some are good for sand, some are good for rocks.
One thing, if you would like,
Land Cruiser.
sorry, Land Cruiser.
Yeah, but I don't have 2.5 crores.
Okay.
So this is a 35-degree obstacle. So you can stop here all day. The car is not going to topple. This is because it's got a very low center of gravity. Okay. You just keep as slow as possible. Do not turn up. If you turn upwards, you have a risk. So those two cars are there.
Okay.
You can shift into those two cars and you can experience this thing yourself. Okay?
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, sir.
Pleasure. My pleasure.